stretching our hands. Touch your toes. Lean towards your right. Haha, don't fall, children. Now lean towards your left. Perfect. So here is your pre-primary facilitator, Dolly Swani from Millennium Family. So children, do you remember which theme is going on? My neighborhood. And can you tell me what is the value of this theme? Yes, sharing and caring. So today I have come to tell you a story. And children, this is my story bag. So come, let's see who is there in the story. So bag में से सबसे पहले निकली Tara. Children, she is Bubbles. Her name is Bubbles. Who is next? Oh, look children, toys. There are so many toys. Wow. Now what next is there? Oh, puppy. Cute little छोटे से puppy. Now let me check. Someone else is there. Children, he is a vet. Doctor जो animals को ठीक करते हैं, वो होते हैं vet. So a vet is a doctor who treats animals. So children, let me tell you about a story which is about Bubbles and her puppy. And the title of my story is Bubbles and her puppy. So one day there was a little girl, Bubbles. Look children, Bubbles, and she was playing with her toys. Bubbles loves her toys. जैसे आपको अपने toys पसंद है, so in the same way Bubbles को भी अपने toys बहुत पसंद थे. And who is she? Children, she is Bubbles' mother. Then one day Bubbles decided to go in the park. Look children, this is park. And in park we have so many swings, trees and flowers. है ना? Oh, look, what did she find here? Bubbles find a little puppy who was very sad because the puppy was hurt. Hurt means puppy को चोट लग गई. देखो बच्चों, हाँ, blood आ रहे हैं. So puppy was hurt. Then what happened? सोचो, Bubbles को puppy को ऐसे hurt देखकर क्या करना चाहिए? आप क्या करते ऐसे puppy को देखकर? Think. Children, do you know what? Bubbles decided to help the puppy. She decided to help the puppy. So she picked her up and took the puppy to her home. Children, what did Bubbles do? क्या किया Bubble ने? She picked her up and took the puppy to her home. So children, if we find animals who are hurt just like this puppy, then what we should do? Yes, we should help them. We should not leave them. तो अगर हमें भी ऐसे हर्ट पपी या फिर बर्ड मिलते हैं तो हमें क्या करना चाहिए? उनकी हेल्प करनी चाहिए. जस्ट लाइक बबल्स इज डूइंग, है ना? जैसे बबल्स हेल्प कर रहे हैं, इन द सेम वे वी शुड ऑल्सो हेल्प देम. Yes, so Bubbles' mother brings a first aid box for puppy. First aid box. Children, first aid box have all the medicines. So अगर किसी को चोट लग गई, देन व्हाट वी कैन डू, हम मेडिसिन्स दवाई निकाल कर दे सकते हैं फर्स्ट एड बॉक्स में. सो अगर कोई बीमार होता है या फिर उसे लग जाती है तो हम उसमें से दवाई निकाल देते हैं फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट एड बॉक्स. एंड चिल्ड्रन देखो देखो व्हाट बबल्स इज डूइंग. Yes, she is feeding milk to puppy. देखो वो कैसे केयर कर रही है. बबल्स ने पपी को मिल्क पिलाया. So children, Bubbles' mother bandages the puppy. Bandage. पपी को चोट लग गई थी ना, तो उन्होंने उस चोट पर बैंडेज लगाया. Look children, देखो देखो, this is bandage. And then what happened? Little puppy went to sleep. And Bubbles sang a beautiful song. And she was patting the puppy. बहुत प्यार से बबल्स ने सॉन्ग गाया. किसके लिए? पापी के लिए. और उसको पैट करा, प्यार से सहलाया. Oh look! Then what happened? When puppy got awake, Bubbles took the pet to a vet. Do you remember who is vet? याद है आपको vet कौन है? Correct. A vet is a doctor who treats only animals. So, vet bandage the puppy. Vet ने क्या करा? Bandage किया properly puppy को. So puppy was now absolutely fine. Then what happened? Oh, look, we can see a dog. But who is this? Children, this is dog. Who is mother of this puppy? जो कौन है? मम्मी है. किसकी? Puppy की. And Bubbles hold the puppy and gave it to her mother. देखो how Bubbles is holding the puppy. And she is giving the puppy to his mother. After that, mother wags her tail. मतलब पपी की मदर ने अपनी टेल हिलाई और क्या कहा? अपनी पूंछ हिला के उन्होंने बबल्स को थैंक यू कहा. क्या बोला? थैंक यू for taking care of her puppy. In the end, everyone was very happy. Yes. So children, do you like the story? Okay. So tell me, if you find a hurt bird or hurt animal, then what you will do? Do you remember where does the bubble